In this video, we will practice again with conditionals and some more things, so please like and subscribe because this video will surely help out and the upcoming videos will help out with development. Power-ups give players special abilities like flying or invisibility, or in this case speed. To create a speed boost power-up that temporarily makes players walk extra fast, the if-then statement will check if the object touching the speed boost is a player and if they haven't already been powered up at the same time. This power-up can be used in any project where moving faster is helpful. This can be a team-based challenge where power-ups can give team members an advantage. For the part, find anything that indicates to the player this may make them faster, such as a crystal, coin, or glowing neon orb. Create a new part named Speed Boost and insert a script named Power-Up Script. In the script, delete the Hello World line and add a comment describing the script's purpose. Then, add a variable named Power-Up part that gets the parent of this part. Whenever a player touches the part, it'll apply a speed boost to that player that touches it. Create a function named onTouch and include a print statement. For now, you'll test with the print statement before adding code for the speed boost. After the function, connect the power-up part to the onTouch function. Click Run to check if your print message shows up in the output window when part is touched. Now that the part knows something is touching it, the script needs to check if it's a player. To do this, use the findFirstChild, which is a function, to check if there is a humanoid, an object representing a player. In the onTouch function, under the print statement, local character equals other part.parent. On the next line, type local humanoid equals character. Find firstChild, which is a humanoid, to check if that part is a humanoid. A power-up should only be given to someone who hasn't already gotten one. To check, you'll need to use an if statement. That statement will need to see if a player has touched the part and if they're walking at a normal speed. Still in the onTouch function, create an if-then with the condition humanoid and humanoid.walk speed equals 16. This means code will run if a humanoid was found and their walk speed is normal. In the if statement, change humanoid.walk speed to a number between 16 and 100. On the next line, destroy the power-up part. Return the player back to normal speed after a few seconds. To do this, type WAIT2, where the number in the parenthesis is how long the player has the speed boost. Then, change